Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here on this channel. We dive into Copilot for Microsoft Word, all designed to make your life easier. If you are into Copilot or just love learning something new every week, you are in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get started. Today we are looking at Microsoft's new AI assistant, Microsoft 365 Copilot for Microsoft Word. Before we jump into it, it's important to note that Microsoft 365 Copilot requires its own add-on license, which can be purchased and assigned through your Microsoft 365 Admin Center portal. Assuming you have that license, let's dive straight into Word. Now we can access Copilot from two different locations. Over here on the left hand side of our cursor and up on the right hand side of our screen in the ribbon. Both of these locations offer similar functionality but have minor differences, which we will cover in a moment. Let me show you one thing, that you can delete this and bring this back like this. All right, now we have our prompt window. This is where we can tell Copilot exactly what we want it to do. For example, if I wanted Copilot to write me 10 best tips for spending fulfilling weekend, I can just type that out and click on generate. Now let's wait for it to generate. Okay, so it has even started showing us the results. It has generated. Let's see how much time it will take. Still it is working on it. It has started creating a long text actually. It will then have a similar box where we have some new options to adjust the content that it has generated. We can decide to keep this content as it is by clicking keep it button, or regenerate the content using the regenerate button, or discard the entire thing by clicking on the discard button. This last box here allows us to refine the content that has been generated by the Copilot. We can see the example here being make it more formal, make it formal. So let's try that out and see how it works. Again guys, this option we will get only if we have the text already. So obviously it makes sense that if you want to make any text more formal, then that text should be available. So let's try this out, how it goes. So see how quickly it has generated a more formal text. It's just magic. All right, see, one more thing. As soon as it has generated the text completely, it gives you the option to keep it, regenerate, delete, and the same thing, that if you want to again want to make some changes, or you want to make it more formal or like that. But if we open up the Copilot prompt window again, you will notice some additional buttons alongside the window. One for referencing a file and other labeled keep writing this. The keep writing this button only appears once you have some content within your document. Since we have some information here, Copilot has content with which it can use to generate more content. The keep writing this button is meant to generate an idea based on context found within the document. So if I click on keep writing this, Copilot will use the new information that we created earlier and generate more content for us based on the context of the current information. Before, its name was Inspire Me, but Keep Writing This is the latest one. It's the updated one. The other button is Structure and Refine. This helps you enhance and transform your documents. Basically, what it will do is it will check some grammatical mistakes and to make it more refined. All right, let me show you the structure and refine option. So if you will select it, it will refine your document. As expected, after generating the document, it will give you an option to whether you want to keep it or discard it. All right, let's talk about insert a summary. With this option, you can insert a summary of your document either in the beginning of the document or at the end of the document. Reference button, which allows us to instruct Copilot to reference a document when generating content based on our prompt. Clicking on it should auto-populate some recent files. But if I wanted to reference a specific file, all I need to do is type the name of the document and it should auto-populate within the window. Okay, so guys, if you will click on the Copilot icon here, and if you will click on the chat with Copilot, this will actually open up the option of Copilot window, which you will get the same option if you will click on the Copilot showing at the ribbon, which I showed you at the start of the video. So the same option you will see here, and here you see some prompts already created for you. You can use these prompts to get the results, and also you can add button. If you will click on that add button, you will have certain features like you can attach a file as well. You can view other prompts, some other prompts you can see other prompts as well, and you can add an image, and also you can ask an agent. Agent is a actually a separate topic, but still I would like to show you. See, there are different kinds of agents. This visual creator, it's very popular. With the help of visual creator, you can create videos. Okay, so these are the agents, and you can take help with the agents as well. And here, this small box, this space is you can use to provide your request, and then the Copilot will respond. So this is a regular prompt which you have might possible seen in the ChatGPT or any other AI tool. The next is the manage content preferences. Guys, this is very important. So if I will click on it, here you will see that web content. So you can control the results which Copilot will provide you, whether you want the results from the public websites or not, or you just want the data uh, from your uh, from your organization's data. So that's how you can control it. So I'll show you. These are the This is the toggle button. So that's how you can use it. And the next option is the speak with Copilot. Guys, this option, with the help of this option, what happens? It will create a session uh, during which it will not get stopped in between. It will be a continuous session. So you can talk to the Copilot like this. So, and this option, microphone paused. So this option, microphone paused, and the speak with Copilot are quite similar, but the only difference between them is the point of session. This speak with Copilot creates a session, but this microphone pause doesn't create a session. It's just for a small period of time. Let's say if you do not know what you have to exactly search and you want to take some time to think as well, then you can use this option. So, guys, if you have stayed with me until this point in the video, I would like to thank you. And, guys, there are so many features that it's hard to explain them all. I recommend exploring it yourself to fully understand its capabilities. Thanks a lot and have a wonderful day.